today I'm going to be filming a just like for fun get ready with me during quarantine video. I really don't go out or anything like that, but today is mine and my fiance's anniversary, so we're actually going to celebrate. So I'm going to do my makeup. Not even sure what kind of look I'm going to be going for. It's just going to be for fun and we can chit chat. So let's get started. I need some water first. So first things first, I'm just going to put my hair back. I got these cute like butterfly clips. They're like all in different pastel colors from Forever 21 and I just love them for putting my hair back while I do my makeup. Oh, and by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, click below to subscribe because I have so many fun videos planned for the next couple weeks. I'm going to be doing like a clean with me inspiration video. I'm going to be doing some organization videos. I'm actually going to be doing a room transformation video. I'm even filming a mukbang, or however you say that, mukbang, mukbang, I don't know how you say it, but that's going to be a lot of fun because I love to eat and I'm just going to go all out. Definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on those videos. Alright, what are we gonna do first? You know what? I actually just washed my face and toned, but I haven't moisturized yet. So I'm gonna be moisturizing. I'm using this Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This I got as a sample from a Sephora employee, and it basically goes on before your moisturizer, and it's supposed to help your moisturizer sink into your skin better. So I tried it out for a couple weeks and I actually fell in love with it that I went and bought the full-size version. So definitely love this. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. I've always been loving this one, but it is very thick. I have pretty dry skin, so that's why I like it. The thing I like about it is it leaves your skin a little bit tacky. So I feel like the foundation glides on better, if that makes sense. I've been using quite a few different primers. Using the It Cosmetics one. I also sometimes like to mix, actually that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to mix these two together. I first prime my whole face with the It Cosmetics primer, and then I do kind of like my, where I have bigger pores area with the Smashbox Photo Finish, because this is more of like a pore minimizer. So let's do that. I kind of use a lot, I feel like, but I don't know what other people do. Put this all over. I like to be super primed because I don't want my makeup to go anywhere. So I'm also going to do the Smashbox one just right here. I never know if I should do like eyes first or like, it depends how I'm feeling. I don't know if that's the same with everyone else. I feel like everyone always has like a go-to way that they always do their makeup. I kind of always do my brows first. So for my brows, I kind of do like a lot. I feel like it's kind of excessive what I do, but I just love what I do. So I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown, and I just use this like Sephora eyeliner brush. It's the number 22, and this is so random, but I just take a little bit on this angled brush and I like to put it on right here of my eyebrow just to draw like fake lines, just to make them a little bit more fluffy looking. Does that make sense? So I just kind of want them to look a little bit more fluffy. And then I fill in with the same dip brow just right here, just like literally like 2 lines, just because it gets kind of bare there. And then the same on the other side. So that's it for the dip brow. The rest I do with a pencil and then mascara. I'll show you right now. So I take the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and this is to try to make my brows look fluffier. I've actually been growing them since quarantine started. So I'm really excited about that. They have been growing a lot. Like all this hair underneath was not there before. And I'm hoping that the hairs that I do have get longer so that it can look more fluffy and full. So I kind of slowly put the mascara in. If I do it too fast, it can really look weird. This also helps set them in place. And I use the color dark brown. I don't use like the blackest black one. So while I wait for that to dry, I'll do something else because I'm not going to be doing the pencil liner until that dries. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I use a Flawless Concealer Brush by e.l.f. and I use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and I like to conceal my eyelids as like a base. I'm not that into eyeshadow primers. I feel like they don't really hold my eyeshadow in place all day like a concealer does, so any concealer really works for me. This is just the one I've been using. Literally all we're going to be doing today is we ordered Olive Garden. We're going to pick it up and eat at home, so it's not like we're even going out to celebrate our anniversary. So I'm literally just getting ready to be at home, but I wanted to take like a cute picture or something, so that'll be fun. So I'm using the ColourPop palette in Sweet Talk. This is like my favorite palette of all time. It's my go-to for eyeshadows lately. I just love all the colors. Like I feel like you can make so many looks with this. So I'm gonna be going in with the color on the top right. It's called Work It. It's like a orangey, peachy type of color, and I'm gonna be using this as like my transition. You know what's funny, when I do my makeup, I always do both eyes, and I feel like so many people complete one eye and then do the other eye, and I just can't do that. I like to do them at the same time to see and make sure that like the bases look the same. Honestly, I feel like that's just me because I haven't seen anyone else do that. If you guys do that, can you please let me know so I don't feel alone in this? Because I've never seen anyone else do that. I just feel like if you do one and then the other, they don't exactly come out the same. Like, see, I needed to add more on this one. I've been really loving both of these colors. They're kind of similar. I think I might mix them. It's called Meadow and Dreammaker. One is just a little bit lighter, but I'm going to be doing like a pink look, so this is going to be more for the corner, and then I'll really pack it in the corner and then bring it out a little bit, but not much. Just to deepen that corner up a little bit. For my all over lid color, I've been really into these two. This one's got a lot of glitter though, and the fallout is kind of like you're gonna have glitter on your face for a few days. This one doesn't have any fallout, and it's kind of like a pretty foiled kind of look, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush. It's just a flat one from e.l.f. And I'm just gonna spray it and then pick it up with that. I've been doing this a lot. And I'm just gonna pack this right here. I don't know, I just love that color. It almost has like gold undertones. It's like a pinkish color with gold undertones, so it's like orangey. So that's gonna be my eyeshadow look. It's not too crazy, but with lashes and liner, it's gonna look so good. So I've been using the Sephora eyeliner. This is their liquid eyeliner. I just really like the brush tip on this. I like it because it's so easy to work with. I like the way I do my eyeliner is really different from a lot of people too, because I draw the line first and the wing last, and I see so many people start on the wing. Little long wing, but we're gonna go with it. That wing came out so much better. Let's try to clean up the right one a little bit. Much better. The eyebrows are dry now, so I'm gonna go in with my, this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Dark Brunette. Shout out to Amaryllis who told me about this product. I was using the Anastasia Brow Wiz for the longest time, and it's like super expensive, and this one's much cheaper at the drugstore. She actually also has a YouTube channel, so you guys should go check her out. I will link her channel below. I love her videos. She does like a lot of curly hairstyle videos, and it's so interesting. I feel like my hair would be really curly if I let it, but I just straighten it so much, so I don't get real ringlets or anything, but when I was a kid I had them, so I feel like my hair could, you know? I like to extend my eyebrows. I don't know why, I love longer eyebrows. I don't really brush it out too much because it'll mess up with the mascara in there. That's pretty much all I do for my brows. So now the best part, the lashes. These are my favorite lashes of all time. They're the Ardell Wispies. There's no number or anything. They're literally just called the Wispies. And these just look so good on my eye shape. I feel like you can't really take like lash recommendations from people because everybody's eye shape is different, right? Some people have smaller eyes. I have huge eyes, I feel like. So like when I go get my lashes done, I always have to get like the super long lashes for them to even like look like I have lashes. But I think the short, like super curl lash look is super pretty. It just, I don't have the eyes for that. So I'm putting the glue on the strip right now, and then I'm gonna leave it and let it dry a little bit. And I'm gonna put the glue on the other one so that one can dry as well. You want it to be a little tacky before you put them on, because if I tried right now, it would just be a nightmare. What is everybody else doing during quarantine? Like, are you guys reading any good books? Are you guys watching any good Netflix shows? I've been doing both of those things, and Netflix, I've been really into, well, Ozark we just finished, that was great. Now I'm actually doing HBO Go, and I'm watching Westworld, which is really good. Confusing, but good. I like it. My fiance hates it, but I love it. And that's good. And I've been watching Pen 15, which is just kind of funny. Like, it's a good background show. My camera literally stopped filming while I was putting that lash on, so hopefully you guys get to see it. If not, I'm sorry. Here's this one. What I do is I place it where I think it's gonna go, and then I go in with my tweezers and I just perfect it and make sure it's in the right place. Once the glue dries, I will go over it with like my eyeliner just to blend it together, and then I will also curl my lashes with it so that it blends. Alright, so quickly before my camera dies, I'm gonna go in and conceal, and then I have a different Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This one is in a lighter color. Just think it matches my skin a little bit better. I'm going to dot this on my problem areas, and I'm not gonna blend. That's the secret to covering these scars that I have. Got a ton of acne scars. I went on Accutane to get rid of my acne, but like so late in life. So I don't blend it. That's kind of the trick to the way I cover it. And I'm just gonna go over with foundation. I've been mixing lately because my skin color is changing so much due to like being outside and tanning and it's warmer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way and then the Matte Fit Me Poreless foundation just because the colors are different. This one's a little bit too light pinky for me right now. And then this one's a little bit too dark still. Like probably in a couple more weeks I will only have to use this one. I just mix it on the back of my hand, and then I always use my Beauty Blend. I feel like if I was going out, I would do a second layer on some of the problem areas. But since I'm not gonna make it too perfect. Man, I'm really craving this Red Bull that I bought earlier. Wanted to have it while I was filming, but I haven't eaten anything yet, so I feel like that's just gonna make me so lit. So I decided to spare you guys from that. Alright, so now that the lashes are pretty much dry, I'm just gonna go over them with some liner. Now onto powder. I bought the KKW powder and I've been liking it. This one's just to brighten and then this one's to bake. I've been using the bake one when I don't need super full coverage because it does not last all day on me, the bake. So when I want like a lot of coverage or I need it to last all day, I will bake with the Laura Mercier one. But this one is actually cool because it kind of smooths out my skin. It doesn't even really bake it. It just kind of smooths out my skin, which I like. So I just place this where I get oily. All right, so while it's baking, I'm going to bronze. I've been really into the Cheek Leaders Bronze Squad palette. It comes with all these colors. I'm kind of extra and I use Hula Caramel, even though it's probably super dark for me. I just like it. I don't know why. I use this BH Cosmetics brush. I love BH Cosmetics, and I just tap it. I do, like, you know, shake it up a little bit so it's not too crazy. And I just like to bronze a little bit. I should not be using such a dark bronzer, but I can't help it. I'm gonna go in with another brush just to soften it up a little bit. And then for like my nose contour, I just use the regular Hula because I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm going to be using the Coralista blush in this. I'm going to be highlighting with the Cookie highlighter in this palette. I love this palette because it kind of has everything. And you don't have to, like, you know, open up something else. So now I'm going to wipe away my bake. I just use like a big fluffy brush for this. And then I kind of, this is a weird step that I do, but I like to just set everything, like even the bronzer and the blush, which I don't know if a lot of people do. So I use the Too Faced Primed and Poreless powder, and I just kind of pat. I don't like, you know, blend, but I like to pat. Anything that says poreless, you got me. I am going to go in with the same mascara that I used for my brows. I'm going to do my lower lashes. We're going to do some lips real quick. I've been loving the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is in the color Champagne Mommy. And I've been lining with some of the Kiehl lip liners. The Kiehl Iced Latte lip liner. Actually also been really liking that with the Kiehl lipstick, like the color Kiehl. So I kind of feel like I'm gonna put these on. Let's see, who knows? It's a nice pink. I love this gloss. I think we're done with this look. What do you guys think? Yeah, so I am ready to go pick up Olive Garden. Hey guys, we're here and we just picked up Olive Garden. Actually, we picked it up already and started eating, and I forgot that I wanted to film it. But we just picked up the takeout and we're eating at home. Delicious. So yeah, we're enjoying it, and talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was a lot of fun to film like a makeup get ready with me, and I'm so excited for all the videos I'm gonna have to come. So I really hope you guys watch. Talk to you guys later. Bye.